What's up, guys? We are back at the lake and it just rained a ton, so I don't know what's gonna happen. Water's a little muddy and it's probably pre-spawn mode, so we're gonna be looking at outside of creeks and shallower water today, so hopefully we can get it done. Let's go. Okay, we also have Paige and Sydney joining us, and Grant. So we got some amateurs gonna fish here too.
In your video.
Here's the spinnerbait of choice Sydney chose. Very interesting. It actually looks like a good spinnerbait, so I think she's gonna catch something. Paige, what do you have on?
Crankbait.
She has a crankbait. We missed it. Paige caught one very fast. She almost didn't know she had one on, but she got it. Yeah. Show them the spinnerbait.
Okay.
Muddy water. She just cast it and spit up a bunch of bait. Just missed it again, guys. We're back out here in the morning. Nice 2-pounder on this log over here with a wacky worm. So, gonna keep on fishing this bank right here, so hopefully we get some. There it goes. It's taking me. Got another one, guys. Oh, I could have flipped him in. Wonder if it was the same one. Just missed another one, guys, in the same spot. Might have been the same one, but look how he ate that. Down it. Oh. Oh.
You ready? Don't force them.
Doubled up. Boom! Oh my god! That's a 5-pounder.
No, that's like 4.5. Look how short he is and how fat he is.
Look at that.
This is the
fish.
female. That's the, I mean, yeah, that's female, that's the male.
Look at that, guys. Doubled up on bass.
Dad, you gotta put that one in the live wallow.
Yeah.
Show the girls that one. Drop it.
Look. If it works, yep.
Alright, what y'all wanna go?
I'm saying 5. Okay.
That's a terrible. I got a better feeling.
5-3.
Damn.
We got a 5-3, guys. Boom. She's ready to spawn. She hasn't started it, but she's pre-spawn. All right, here he goes. What'd you catch him on? Bandito Bug? Texas rig.
Ready?
Come on, go, bitch. There you go. Okay, guys, so I've caught probably like 4 fish, and it's been kind of slow, but we've been catching fish still. Biggest one you guys saw my dad caught was like a 5-3 or so. But we're gonna just keep on it, and a cold front came in, so hopefully that doesn't affect them much. And the water's still muddy, but up and down in these canals is clear, so hopefully we get some more fish. Let's go. He's choked it. Yeah, I know. I thought I was dragging in rocks. Dang, that was barely skinned hooked. Wacky fish right after the storm.
That was
All right, we're staying.
Boom, another jig fish.
The jig is
In an hour? That was like 20 minutes.
No, since we got here.
Oh. Alright guys, we're gonna put our best 5 fish in the live well. Everybody else wants to go back because of rain. But they're biting. Oh, never mind. It's actually not bad. We got one, guys. Ooh. Okay, now get him. Doubled up, guys.
Alright, wait.
2 in 1 net. Ski him in.
Woo! Nice.
Mine's bigger than yours.
What are you guys catching them on?
I got mine on a wacky worm, and he got his on
put
a.
hooks on ours, babe.
This is your son's doing, not mine.
There's not a hook on that lure.
Oh, sorry.
He put them barbless so that they can't get stuck on them.
Hey, I cast it over there because I thought that was the male.
Boom. This one's going in there, or at least that one, I guess. Actually, no. That'll be a cool picture, all of them.
Yeah. Take the net out of there.
Oh! Oh my god, they're like dolphins.
Hey, on the grass line.
I told you.
On the grass line.
Ooh, that's fire. Shit.
Yeah! Look at that, guys. Look at this beautiful running water back there. And I just cast it in the current with this booty shaker and he choked it. I had a few bites before him too. They were after like it. Competing for it. Alright, here he goes. Look at that running water. We just got off the boat to get over to this running water because it's so rocky all through here and we don't want to scrape up the boat. So here we are the next morning after the storm and catching all those fish before the front, and now fishing a bunch of running water. Okay, I'm going farther. Oh my god! Look at that, guys. Look how chunky he is. No, there's a pond. I thought it was giant at first. Still like a 3.5. Yeah. Well, I want to do it in the running water. Alright guys, here he goes. He was literally right on the edge of it. Really? Yeah. Oh wow, feel how warm it is. It's like a bath. Oh, that warms up your hands so much. Alright guys, so it wasn't the best trip because of the rain and it made all the muddy water. But that is it, guys. Caught a few fish, caught a big one. Got it 5.3, but over the next few weeks, I have no school because of the coronavirus, so I'm going to be fishing a lot. Hopefully get on the spawning fish, and hopefully I can link up with possibly my PB. I only have 6-pound PB, so hopefully you can break that this spring. And that's it for today, guys. See ya.